my name is Tony, and today, if you're old like me and trying to get inside the back of the bed, and you guys know most of the time we're just putting our knees on the back of the tailgate, and it sucks and it hurts, especially when I'm not getting any younger. Maybe when I was younger it wasn't such a big deal, but now, 35 years old and getting to the back, putting your knees on the tailgate really sucks. So today I have partnered up with BillieBars, and they sent me out their tailgate cover for the 2023 Plus ZR2 tailgate cover, and it is super nice. So here is the tailgate cover from BillieBars. It is a nice aluminum, nice and thick, but it also comes with this nice marine grade material, so it is like waterproof and stuff like that, and it's not going to really get weathered. So the nice thing, especially if you're out camping, this leaves a nice flat surface, unlike all these ridges inside the tailgate cover itself that comes from factory. Yes, unfortunately, a Chevy put this nice little cargo box in here that's not even waterproof, because when I did take it through the car washes and stuff like that, I was always getting soap and stuff inside the actual cargo, so I never really kept anything like electronic or anything in there. But to me, wasn't really that useful, especially being out camping. I put all my my grill or my jet boil and everything on top of this tailgate. It really makes it kind of unstable. So I think this is a perfect replacement for this, and I don't really have too much of a use for this drawer. We are going to replace this for something that's flat, something that I can actually cook and stand and do a lot of my cooking and stuff on the back of the tailgate. I'm not really going to do too much of an install video, because it's so simple. Just undo the screws and plug it. Basically, it's the plug and play system, which is nice. So it comes with some screws and the hardware. So let's just replace it. So one thing I would like to say is you get a ton of room on the BillieBars tailgate cover. Kind of versus the factory because of how much or how many they put these little slots in, for whatever design. It kind of always been there through history of all trucks. They put these ridges in there, but you get a ton of working space on here, especially if you're out there camping. This is the jet boil dual base camp. I mean, look how much from here. I still have over half my tailgate I can be using here, making my coffee, prepping. If I'm cooking over here, getting stuff ready with a cutting board. Again, I would not use this as a cutting board. I would still put down a cutting board and cut on top of that, because this is more of a it's a soft material, but you're going to cut right through it. It's not cut resistance by any means. Definitely put a cutting board, because I actually seen some people actually cut on this on some of the YouTube channels. I would not actually do that. And then you're going to get all your grime and stuff in there. Use a cutting board. Don't use this. You still get cup holders on each side, which are actual cup holders, not these little things down here is just a holder, not even a holder, just a spot. Which, if I'm out camping, I would rather have this thing flat so I can actually have a flat spot, because there is not really a single flat spot on the back, which this thing is all nice and flat. You can cook, do here, set up, your canister, make some coffee. You still have here where you can sit down and do whatever, or whatever you do at base camp. I'm actually really in love with this thing. I will say one thing: this material that they use is a marine grade material, so it's water resistance and stuff like that. You can take the weather. One thing I actually noticed while kind of feeling that, Boost Auto on their steps, they use basically the same kind of material. They cut out their little shapes and stuff, but it's the same stuff. I step on this thing all the time. obviously you can see kind of the stuff is still, I wouldn't call it brand new, but I mean, I step right here all the time getting inside the truck, and it doesn't even look like it's even really wearing. And it's been in rainstorms, mud, everything else. So why this is actually dirty is just because obviously I don't clean it, because it's a floor, it's a a step. It's gonna get dirty. But this thing's been power washed several times. I'm sure if we get some nice cleaning material or cleaning stuff, it would probably look brand new. But this stuff doesn't even look like it's worn. So I'm already predicting that this right here is going to be kind of the same thing. Just take care of this. I'm sure there's some cleaning stuff that we can use on here to kind of always make it look brand new. But I'm already foreseeing that this stuff is not going to be wear. So on that note, I'm going to do kind of a durability test. Such a good product, and I'm actually really happy with it. So go check out BillieBars. I greatly appreciate you guys checking out my channel. My name is Tony. Hit that like and subscribe button. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.